All right, so here are two more examples of the expected value. For this example 6, I want you to give it a shot. It's going to work very similar to the example 5 we did a second ago. So hit pause, see if you can work it, and I'll go ahead and tell you the answer, your final answer should be -4. So you get down to -4, you're good to go. And so give it a pause, try it, and then we'll come back and work it. All right, so let's work this one. I'm going to tell you the probability of winning, so you didn't have to make your own fraction or anything. So the probability of winning is 0.001, and if she wins, she gets $1,000. And that's it. There's only one type of money we can win. We win $1,000. So if I type that in my calculator, I get $1. Now I have not taken it into account that it cost $5 to play the game, a $5 bet. So I'm going to subtract that $5 to get my answer of the -4. So the way I work mine expected value is always subtract the cost at the end. Now, like I said in the other video, you can work it where you take care of the cost at the beginning in the first line that you write it. Both ways work fine. Whichever way works best for you that you're thinking about it, that would be the way I would tell you to work it. All right, so our last problem here is on roulette. And just to remind everybody what roulette looks like, it's the game we played over back in chapter 8 where we're going to choose where the ball is going to land. So we've got red, we've got black, and we've got our green spaces. And then also with these, we've got even and odds. And then remember that the two green spots are not considered even. They're 0 and 00, and they're considered neither even nor odd. There are 38 total spaces. So there are 38 total. So that means there's going to be 36 besides these two special ones, the 0 and 00. Those are the two special guys. So we're going to have that picture in our head as we come back and we'll work in this roulette. All right. So there are lots of actually different ways that you can bet on roulette. We're just going to keep with a simple wager on even. And it tells us there are 18 positive even numbers. And remember, I told you there were 38 total numbers. Or I'll put total spaces. So if I'm betting on even, then the probability of landing on even are 18 out of 38, because there were 38 total spaces. All right, so we bet $1 on even. If it comes up, we get our $1 back plus another one. So the way I'm going to work this is I'm going to call that $2. We get our $1 back plus another $1. So that's a total of $2 we win. So then I'm going to have $2 times that probability. Again, there's a 0 thing if you wanted to. I know I haven't done on all of them, but if you want to add, otherwise you win nothing. The casino doesn't give you anything. That would be every other time. There are 38 total times. There are 18 winning times. So there are 20 times that you lose. If you don't like the stuff in blue, you don't have to include that. 2 times 18 over 38 gives me 36 over 38. And then remember, I always do my cost at the end. The cost was $1. So I'm going to subtract the $1 from that cost. So that's going to give me -0.05 for my answer.